Welcome to a brand new episode 62 of PSLE Math series on ABCD. In this PSLE Math series, we'll be going through questions that PSLE students might find difficult to solve. In our previous episode, we went through question 1 of worksheet 31. Today, we'll be going through question 3. Just a side note, you'll be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this question in the description below. Now let's get started. Oh, and pardon me, I keep forgetting which worksheet it is, but never mind. Okay, coming to the question. At 10 a.m., a silver car started moving at an average speed of 75 kilometers per hour towards a gold car. Concurrently, the gold car moved towards the silver car at an average speed of 65 kilometers per hour. At 2 p.m., both of them are 40 kilometers apart. Given that the silver car is 40 and has to rest for a minute for every 2 minutes that it travels, what was the distance between the two starting points if, number 1, they hasn't passed each other, number 2, they had passed each other? So, following all our previous episode, we will need a diagram to simplify things for us. So, silver car, gold car. Silver car is moving at 75 kilometers per hour. 1 minute rest for every 2 minutes drive. So every hour. Okay, this one we explain it later. Okay. So I forgot to write something here. It's 10 a.m. Okay. Then the gold car is traveling at the same time at 65 kilometers per hour. Then at 2 p.m. they are 40 kilometers apart. The first case, they hasn't passed each other. The second case, they have passed each other. Okay. Similarly to the previous question, we actually use an estimation. It could be that the first case is over here, second case is over here. Okay, but it doesn't matter. Okay. Since the silver car is 40, for every 2 minutes that it moves, it will need to rest 1 minute, which means that in every 3 minutes interval, okay, let's just write it here. So if 3 minutes interval, okay, you know that 1 minute is rest and 2 minutes is for travel. Therefore, in simpler terms, it will be 1/3 of the hour for resting and 2/3 of the hour for travel. Okay, 1 hour. Okay, so 1 minute of 3 minutes is 1/3 of an hour. Okay, then using this, we will start the question formally. From 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., it will be 4 hours. Okay, then distance of the silver car in 1 hour will actually be equals to 2/3 times 75, and this gives us 50 kilometers. Remember, only 2/3 of the hour is being spent on traveling, 1/3 is to rest. Okay, so the total distance will actually be equal to 4 hours times 50 kilometers for the silver car plus 4 hours times 65 kilometers for the gold car, and this will give us 460 kilometers. Remember, we are supposed to do multiplication first before we do addition and subtractions. Okay, so multiplications and it's brackets, then multiplication and divisions, then it's plus and minus, which is addition and subtraction. In this case, I add the bracket in to simplify things, to emphasize the needs of doing multiplication first. The brackets are dummy, so they will not affect the final results. Okay, coming back to the question, in part 1, they had not passed each other, so 460 equals to this part plus this part. There will be a missing 40 kilometers here. So distance will actually be equals to 460 plus 40, and this gives us 500 kilometers. For the second part, they have passed each other, so 460 equals to this part plus this part. You see, the 40 kilometers has been traveled twice. Therefore, it will be equals to 460 minus 40, and this gives us 420 kilometers. Ta-da! That's the answer. Okay, the question that we just went through is question 3 of worksheet 31. The there's 2 more questions available. This is question 1. The answer is 640 and 576 respectively. And this is question 2. The answer is 920 and 770 respectively. Okay, give me a moment. Okay. Feel free to browse our channel for more. And refer to our previous episode for the solution for question 1 if you need further assistance. In the meantime, feel free to drop us an email if you got any challenging questions. We also welcome feedback and comments. Our contact details are in the description below. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have learned this concept, and this is Miss J signing off.